doctor or get emergency help if you get any of these symptoms: fever, chills, persistent or severe diarrhea, abdominal pain and weight loss, fast or irregular heartbeat, problems breathing, feeling dizzy, lightheaded or confused.
What the hell happened to me?
Difficulty using and understanding words, memory loss, problems with movement and balance, problems showing emotion or interest in activities.
Especially ones that are 70 years old, several generations ago, because it's pretty difficult to sustain a fraud over 3 generations. So let's go ahead and check out these famous historical cases of triple UFO formations. Now, even though this is not footage of 3 lights traveling together, there are actually 9 UAP in this 1950s footage, which I find to be an interesting coincidence, a multiple of 3. In any event, the triangular orb pattern isn't new. It ties straight into the famous black triangle UFO wave that exploded in the 1980s and 1990s.
Those are orbs. You can see them.
UFO wave 1989.
You have to have the screen inversion on.
Thousands of witnesses, including police and military, describing huge, silent, triangular craft with bright lights at each corner. F-16s locked onto them with radar, objects dropping from 9,000 feet to sea level in seconds, or the Hudson Valley sightings in New York through the 1980s. Massive V-shaped
Use screen inversion mode with the videos I post.
The 2000 Illinois Tinley Park lights, 3 bright orbs in formation over a stadium full of people, and the UK Dudley Dorito. Yes, that's a real thing. These predate cheap consumer drones by decades, but the pattern goes much deeper, with documented triangular and triple orb reports stretching back into the 1950s, 60s, and 70s, well before any widespread advanced drone technology. UFO researcher David Marler, in his book Triangular UFOs, an estimate of the situation, has reviewed over 17,000 case files of triangular craft, and not all of them are solid triangular ships that we can interpret as being 3 lights on the same craft. In many cases, they are 3 separate lights separated by darkness.
That's an airplane going by the way,
in conjunction with one another.
and a bunch of drones shooting off behind it. We're going to have to get another look at that.
Across the U.S., Connecticut, Georgia, Pennsylvania,
Let's have another look at that,
Texas,
YouTube.
and others, and also internationally, London, Madrid, Czechoslovakia.
What is that giant thing?
1969,
What was that?
2 National Guard pilots in Puerto Rico